Hello, my dear students. Wishing you a very nice morning. Happy to see you again. After a small vacation, we are going to start our classes again. So, how you feel now? Are you happy? Okay, I know you all are eagerly waiting for your classes, is it? Then, how was your vacation? Did you enjoy well? Okay, maths is in everywhere, is it? Without maths, there is no existence in life. So, dear students, today we are starting our class with the aesthetic beauty of maths. You already studied about the aesthetic beauty, that is the symmetry, reflection, is it? For example, I will show you a plant. So, my dear students, this is the plant. Do you know what plant is this? Yes. This is shame plant or touch me not plant. When we touch the leaves, it will turn inward and droop. After some times, it will reopen. Did you ever notice the tip of this plant leaves? It consists of two leaves. That is, when it turn inward, the leaves of one side attached to the leaves of the side. That means the number of leaves in both sides are equal. So, the tip consists of two leaves. So, my dear students, by observing each and everything from our surroundings, you can easily find out the exact mathematical foundation. Got it? So, maths is in everywhere. And you already studied about this line of symmetry and reflection, and you know already about the mirror image, lateral inversion. That is, when we raise our right hand, the right hand will be in our image's left position, is it? So these all concepts you already learned. So today we are going to learn about different views of an object. I think you all are very interested of taking selfies, is it? So when you are taking your selfies, you can choose different angles, is it? As you know, this is the front view and this will be the side view, is it? This is the side view, this is front view, and guys, this is the top view, is it? Top view. So we can take images in different modes, is it? Usually we are using, is it? We are applying all these concepts in our daily life without knowing the mathematical foundation, is it? It is this all the concepts in our daily life related to maths one or another way. Got it? So this view, the concept of top view, side view and front view related to mathematics, and this is so much important as we can imagine the different views and we can imagine the beauty in which view we get most beautiful pictures. For example, these all are familiar images in different modes. So you can decide which image is very suitable up to our vision. Is it, students? So my dear students, as Aristotle said, the chief form of beauty is order and symmetry, and the mathematical science demonstrate it in a special degree. I think you got the concept. You can be a good director, a good photographer, only if you have a mathematical mind. Got it? So, my dear students, this is your first math class in this academic year. So, note down in your notebook that mathematics is the most beautiful and powerful creation of human spirit. As you know, this is our first class and we can start from here. So, in your textbook, you can see some images with different views, top, front and side. Try to match the views according to your vision. Okay? Then we will see at the DCS time to explain more. Okay? Thank you.